Sorry, I was a little long-winded there, guys. I thought I was going to be able to get that all into the 15-minute requirement here, but yeah. So the different types of bonds, really relating back to that payment, that maturity, how we pay back, when are we required to make those payments? So the last piece here in the long-term liabilities, um, here for chapter 6, is that bond anticipation notes, which we hit on a little bit already in the previous video, or in the other slide. Is that as this shows us here from the textbook, is that governments often obtain temporary financing. And here's a little bit more on it, is that the following two conditions need to be met, then the liability for the bond anticipation note should be treated as long-term liability. All legal steps have been taken to refinance the bond anticipation notes. So that's what we're pledging to do. That's our course of action. And there's been legal steps to do that, to refinance it, to get rid of that anticipation note through those refinancing means. And the intent is supported by an ability to consummate refinancing of the short-term notes on a long-term basis. So what we're doing then is we're extending that from the short-term horizon, right, 12 months or less, and converting it basically to that long-term piece, beyond 1 year. So hopefully this videos are helpful in just kind of establishing some kind of vocab, kind of working knowledge around some of the bigger unique concepts here for week 3. So please do share your feedback with me, maybe just through an email, about the videos, if you're finding them useful, helpful, that sort of thing. That would be greatly appreciated. Take care, have a great day, and we'll see you in the classroom.